as many ambulances as the stock.
Secondary devices here. I need officers for secondary devices.
Help.
Mike's up and come to the air.
Okay, units stay off the air. Units stay off the air. Just make your way over there. All units stay off the air and make your way over there. I only want to hear from the 984. I only want to hear from that supervisor.
Okay, Delta 984, here's what I need. I want ring road cleared so I can get ambulances out, okay?
Which is Delta 30?
Delta 984, give me a clear to what I need.
Go, sir.
I need as many ambulances as you can give me. I want ring road cleared, ambulances in and out. On ring. 984, take control of the fire coming in. I need lanes open here.
Copy. Just keep giving it out, sir. Anybody else stay off the air.
Harrison's clear. Have them use the people clear of Harrison.
Boylston Street clear. 66 Boylston. Need H&H up there right away.
61 Boylston Street. We need ton of 761 Boylston Street. We need bad.
C11. The ambulances come in Dartmouth or car at Boylston.
Copy, sir. Copy.
Delta 984.
Go, sir. Go.
Oh, no. Yankee Charlie 2.
Go, sir.
Any gang unit, drug unit. Delta 984.
Delta 984, sir. Go.
Some help up from the medical tent. Get as many people up here as you can from the medical tent.
All right.
Delta 984. Send Mark to the corner of Ring and Huntington. I want that road open for... We're going to need more ambulance there. We need some more ambulance.
They're going, sir. They're going.
A young kid, what is his name?
761 Boylston Street, H&H. 761 Boylston Street. We need ton of H&H.
They're notified, sir. They're going. They're notified.
I need agents in front of Abe and Louis as well. Take off for two.
5 is our crime scene. 755 Boylston.
755 Boylston crime scene. We have it.
55, get the bomb squad up top.
All right, you see operation.
The vehicle blocks the road. We're going to need ambulances in it.
We need to go. Some Boylston in the wrong way. The bleachers over near the library.
He's going in with your transmission.
For the emergency person, ambulances, okay? Don't block the road for the ambulances.
986, can we get some units up to Mass Ave? Mass and Street. We could block these people so we can keep the access clear.
Delta 984.
984. 984, go ahead.
in the city to this scene now, please.
Keep pace. I know you're busy. Keep Boylston Street open for ambulances. No, watch Boylston.
Yeah, Tango 901, send them up ring. Send them up ring. I like ring in Huntington.
Yeah, my name's number 12. We're going to need EDs all over the city down here.
005.
With us as well. Hey, you go right down Boylston to Exeter, is that where you're at? Tommy, I'm right up from the Lennox Hotel. I'm at the corner of Fairfield and Boylston, okay? Okay, I have multiple people down here, okay? I don't know what the cause is. Stand by.
Sergeant 47, UCC, I need someone right from the Boom Restaurant. I got evidence right here, Ring Road. The UCC says, go again with that, you're sick. Wilson, Ring Road.
I don't want us to respond.
Receive your alibi, This is the real deal. We're just checking on your ETA to downtown.
I'm dumping. I'm not getting near there. I gotta just dump and run. I'm dumping and running.
Sorry, Stanley, repeat. We can't hear what you're saying.
I'm dumping and running. I can't see the crew. I just gotta get going here. Is that okay? I gotta go.
Yes, go.
Go ahead.
We're on our way there, but we're just informed we got 10 more minutes left on the Red Sox TFR. So we'll hold right outside of it. As soon as that expires, we'll go in.
And what's your ETA?
More minutes before we can go over that finish line because the Boston Red Sox TFR.
You right now.
Available agencies.
005,
take whatever you can give us. I'll take whatever you can give us.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm heading back to net control. Lisa and Sam are on their way back there right now.
That's a negative, Cindy. We're on our way back to Woburn. Is that okay?
Absolutely. I'll see you there.
Okay, all available.
Tango 901, we have another thing at backpack at Boylston and Fairfield. We need to set up a perimeter here, get people away from it.
Set up a perimeter, Boylston and Fairfield, guys. Boylston and Fairfield, clear everybody out of there. Use caution. There might be possible additional devices. Once again, all officers monitoring. Use caution. There are possible other devices in the area.
Tango officer, ambulance at Hereford and Calm. I will visit them here with shrapnel in the leg.
Hereford and Calm, we'll get them to you, sir. We'll get them to you. Hereford and Calm.
Tango 911, I need all officers down here. Checking the secondary devices. Any suspicious items. Okay, move people back. Let's go on foot. Victor K Alpha 1.
Victor K Alpha 1, go, sir.
Yes, sir. We're going to need more ambulances down to this location, okay?
Yes, sir. They've been notified. They're on the way. We got every unit on possible going, sir. Just hang on.
Tango Echo 2. Need another ambulance down here at 755 Boylston.
They're on the way, sir. They're on the way.
Tango Echo 1. Put them down Boylston. They're on the way. Have some come down Ring Road. We have like Ring Road and Boylston. Down Ring. We have a call about it. Over 719. Boylston.
Okay.
We need an
Units,
ambulance.
watch the traffic. That last unit, go again. Go again.
Nova Alpha 2 to operations. Nova Alpha 2.
Go ahead,
No
sir.
help.
Have the bomb squad call me immediately. 5449. Immediately.
Bomb squad monitoring 5449.
5449.
What was the location of that backpack, that last backpack? I need that location. We need to secure that area.
The Blonde Hotel has a package there. Delta Charlie 1.
Delta Charlie 1, sir, go.
Delta Charlie 1.
You have one suspect package underneath the bleachers in front of the library. Do we have any more that you've heard of at this moment?
No.
Yep. 671 Boylston Street. The police was looking at it now. Another suspicious. Yankee C-20. I want anyone that has a wagon to take that wagon the wrong way down Boylston Street and be ready to turn it onto Ring Road. Boylston, turn it onto Ring Road. We may need them to transport engines.
Yankee Charlie 2.
Yankee Charlie 2, go.
I need Superintendent Buckley and all detectives and investigative resources. I want them all gathered up in one location. Why don't we try Ring Road and Huntington for now? Let's get a command post. Roll Huntington.
Ring Road and Huntington.
The NGC 5 has that headed up the Ring Road.
Nova Alpha 1. We're getting reports from Ian of a package, Boylston and an explosive package at Boylston and exit. Do we have eyeballs on that?
Yeah, Tango 9 Roger, what do you have here at Boylston and exit?
We're getting Nova Alpha 1 from EMS Deputy Superintendent, some form of a possible device that has not detonated by Boylston.
Boylston and exit right here. All MOP supervisors go to channel 12. All MOP supervisors go to channel 12. Please note, there's 3 handbags in front of the pieces, in front of the truck. You might want to get away from those bags. 903, 906, we got it, going 12.
Yankee Charlie 1.
Yankee Charlie 1.
Yeah, would you put out where this operations point is going to be? Ring Road, is that correct?
Ring Road in Huntington.
Okay, Yankee Charlie 1 to operate to the UCC. UCC?
Tango Alpha 2.
Superintendent, would you please notify FBI and state police SWAT teams that the rally point is going to be on Ring Road?
We have that, sir.
Yeah, Alpha Charlie 1. We're going to need the bomb squad vehicle in here to the 671 Boylston. Yeah, 911, what do you need? We have officers on scene. What do you need?
Got a possible device at 671 Boylston. Possible device.
All right, 911, front of this. You there, Albert?
Location right now. Let's do other units. I'm with the captain. I stand by a minute. He's on the phone.
Charlie 1, I want all the SWAT teams to go back to the base right now and get their rifles, get their gear, and make their way back down here. We'll...
For lines on them?
Yes, you are. Why don't you just consider yourself hot? You're the only thing we've got right now.
Number 2 ENT receives. Go ahead. Highway to power up. Can you come up on 4 plus? 4 is IC9. Please. Okay.
Street, they're looking for more damage and activity. Can you can up the street?
Well.
We got an engine patty inside the Shaws, also serious leg wounds inside the Shaws on Ring Road.
You walk that patty out, have walk that patty out, put it in the cruiser and take it down.
We have that leg injury, the shot. Inside, that shot inside. Can you guys give us an ETA, please? All right, Randy, say it again. About 5 to 10 minutes. Power. Thank you.
For the hour after expired. Police Shepard 2. We're just coming over the Charles. Hey there, we'll be working at the 5 Sierra Lima. We'll be working at 2,000. If you need anything else, just let us know. Are you great? I see you in sight. Thanks.
Fox Bravo descending to 2,000 as well.
On the police van. Good, sir. Pier 3 is overseen. Okay, receive the UI transmitting.
Actually, we'll have our kid with us. Charlie 1 to the 901. Out here with the attack guys now, Captain. We have our kid with us. We're going to stay on scene. Big chance you can get a couple down to the Cups Medical Center. Do that, roger that. Get down to the Tufts Medical Center, suit up, and maintain on scene. Maintain a perimeter of the ER.
We're going to set up at the firehouse. We know that's a secured location. We're going to get the victims out. We're then going to conduct a sweep with EOD assets to make sure there are no other devices on the street. We will then get people out of the restaurants and bars. I need somebody up there to get on social media and let people know what we're doing here, that we're sweeping the street to make sure it's safe first, and then we'll get them out of the bars and stuff once we get it swept.
UCC copy.
Tango Alpha 2.
Tango Alpha 2.
I know you're busy, but can you get U.S. Postal Police here ASAP to open up all these boxes? U.S. Postal Police?
Absolutely.
We'll share that social media notification, Chief.
Even if we get a carrier that's in the area that's got a key to the barn, we'll use that.
Tango 912.
Tango 912.
Yes, sir. Can you put it out all bomb squad members that are working? Boylston and Exeter. ASAP.
Boylston and Exeter, all bomb squad units.
About to go all out with that, sir. Once again, we're switching the command post to 981 Boston, the fire station. Is that correct? Can you verify that?
On the full off-ramp and the Boylston Street off-ramp.
True and Boylston off-ramps.